Hey, welcome back to Midnight Customs. Brandon here. We got a nice little piece of the project going on today. I didn't record too much of it, but I'll show you what I did do. Also, before we get into it, drop a like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you give me a thumbs down, let me know why. I appreciate the feedback. We got some stuff for you going on, and we'll show you here in just a second. Alright, I found another use for the washing machine. Got a piece of Schedule 40 pipe and a piece of sheet metal here. What we're going to do is we're going to take these two pieces and we're going to bend this up. It's already got a curve to it, but we're going to bend it up, and I'm going to show you what we're going to use it for. So we'll be right back. Alright, got it all bent up. Now, I'm going to go over here to the welder and bam! This is going to go on this. Just like that. And we're just going to tack it in there. We're not going to get too carried away. That way we can hold the welding bottle, keep it from sliding forward and whatnot. So I think that's going to be the ticket. And later on, I'm going to get a bigger bottle. That's why I'm using 16 gauge today. That way it's easier to form up, cut the tack welds off, bend it up some more, shape it up some more, and we'll go from there. Alright, got that tacked in there, and we're going to use my make-believe bottle. There we go. That is going to work out great. Now, I'm just going to leave that tacked in there. It's like I said, we just got 4 tacks. Well, 5, I guess, they're right there. But, you know, a couple back here, over here. This ain't gonna go nowhere, but that is because I just have that one little itty bitty baby bottle right there. At some point, I don't know what the cubic footage is on it, but I'll get one of them big suckers that's, you know, up here, what have you. But for right now, that 48 or 49 cubic footer will do the trick. So I think it's going to work out real nice like. But today's progress involves that, and then these gussets, which is also Schedule 40. Oh, look at those things. I don't even care if they look good or not. They're gonna hold. And over here, that's welding left-handed. I'm a righty, so it don't look pretty, but it's gonna hold. And I'm gonna grind those down. So we got most of the stuff ground down now. But yeah, man, I am super happy with this. This is my first fabrication project. I did a winch mount on my trailer. I'm not quite done with that. I need to go back and redo the welds, but so far I'm doing this from scratch, and I'm pretty pleased with how it's turning out. Welcome back to Midnight Customs. This is what we got going on today. It's been quite a day working on this actually. I had a different design in mind instead of this, but this worked out pretty good. Schedule 40 pipe, using it as gussets. So, and we got this here made. This is also a piece of Schedule 40. And that's not really it. That's just my make-believe gas bottle. This is going to hold the gas bottle in place. And eventually we'll put something across here that'll hold it. So, stick around.